What's up guys, Zach Bale here with Bling Sauce. I want to introduce you to the Bling Sauce booth here at SEMA 2024. We got Mike Finnegan's build. We did this as a Road to SEMA build over about 6 episodes on the Finnegan's Garage YouTube channel. This has been an amazing project. We took a 13,000 mile all original GMC truck, threw in this Texas speed motor. Mike knows all the details, but what I do know is it makes 1,000 horsepower now, and the sound of this thing when it was coming out of the transporter, amazing. So we had to throw the Eddie Van Halen graphic on there, couldn't leave it alone, but again, this is all original paint, all sauced up with the bling, and we had to keep with the original step bumper because we got a completely rebuilt 1986 Chiata 10-foot mini boat. KMG Graphics out of San Diego took care of this for us. We gave them one piece of information. We gave them the paint code for this blue. We wanted to make sure it matched that original paint. Everything else is the vision of Kevin at KMG. Cannot thank him enough for completing this amazing project. We got some new products we're introducing for going into 2025. So we've got the RV line. We introduced this last year through Andrew Steele, awesome brand ambassador of ours in the RV space. Of course, we got our original platinum products we debuted last year at SEMA. These have been amazing. We launched these in 3,000 AutoZone stores. Actually did so well, we're up to over 5,500 locations going into 2025. We got all new platinum products. We got 6 new SKUs we just added to the line. Everything from the speed detailer to a medium gloss tire shine to the general purpose interior cleaner, the wheel sauce, the fusion sauce, 4 waxes in a one. And of course you spot sauce. So for everything that our old school hot sauce wouldn't take care of, we got something for you. You need a little more work on those spots. And of course our classic marine line that we debuted way back in 2006, almost 20 years now. But here we are at SEMA 2024, expanding from the marine line into automotive. This is our 2nd year at SEMA. We have had so much fun here. We still got a couple more days to go. Looking forward to seeing you there.